What if you could create a masterpiece with just a single thought? Artificial intelligence is no longer just for scientists and engineers. It's sparking a revolution in one of the most human of domains: creativity. In the world of art, AI tools can now turn simple text into breathtaking visuals. Artists are using AI as a new kind of paintbrush, exploring styles and concepts never before possible. This collaboration between human and machine is pushing the boundaries of imagination. In music, AI is becoming the ultimate collaborator. From generating entire songs in any genre to creating novel harmonies, AI is changing how we compose, produce, and even experience music. And what about the world of filmmaking? Generative video models can now create entire scenes from a simple script, dramatically speeding up visual effects and post-production. AI isn't replacing human artists, it's empowering them. It's a new partner in the creative process, opening up a universe of possibilities. What do you think is the most exciting use of AI in creativity? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to AI Academy for more.